Gloss over is an idiomatic expression that means to downplay, ignore, or give only superficial attention to something, often an issue or a problem. When someone glosses over a topic or situation, they typically avoid discussing it in depth or fail to acknowledge its significance, choosing instead to focus on the more positive or less problematic aspects. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal language to describe how people sometimes handle uncomfortable or challenging subjects. The term gloss in this context is borrowed from the world of printing and publishing, where a gloss is a shiny or reflective coating applied to a surface, such as paper. This coating can enhance the appearance of the surface by making it smooth and shiny. In a figurative sense, when people gloss over something, they are metaphorically smoothing over a topic or issue to make it seem less problematic, or to present it in a more favorable light. Glossing over can occur in various contexts. In personal relationships, someone might gloss over a disagreement by quickly changing the subject or avoiding a deeper discussion about the issue at hand. In this case, they may want to preserve harmony or avoid confrontation. In the workplace, glossing over can be observed when a manager or colleague minimizes the impact of a problem to maintain a positive image or to prevent panic among team members. It can also be used when presenting a project's progress, highlighting achievements while downplaying any challenges or setbacks. In politics and public discourse, glossing over is often associated with politicians or spokespersons who evade difficult questions, provide vague answers, or use rhetoric to avoid addressing controversial issues directly. This tactic can be employed to maintain popularity or to avoid negative public perception. In self-reflection and personal growth, individuals may sometimes gloss over their own flaws, mistakes, or areas needing improvement as a way to protect their self-esteem or avoid confronting uncomfortable truths about themselves. While glossing over may offer temporary relief from discomfort or conflict, it can have negative consequences in the long run. It can hinder effective communication, lead to misunderstandings, and prevent the resolution of underlying issues. In some cases, it may even erode trust when people perceive that others are not being honest or transparent. However, it's essential to recognize that there are situations where glossing over may be a strategic or diplomatic choice. For example, in negotiations or delicate conversations, focusing on common ground or shared goals while temporarily setting aside contentious issues can help build bridges and maintain a constructive dialogue. In conclusion, glossing over is an idiomatic expression that refers to the act of downplaying or avoiding discussing difficult, uncomfortable, or problematic topics or issues. While it can be a coping mechanism in certain situations, it is important to strike a balance between preserving harmony and addressing important matters honestly and effectively to ensure open communication and resolution of underlying problems.